Greetings everyone, we are assigned to do the antiderivatives of trigonomic function. So first we have here our formula that we will use later. So number 1, integral of negative sine x dx. So we have here our formula. So ilalabas natin yung negative sign sa integral. So negative integral of sine x dx. So titingin tayo sa may formula natin. So, sin x dx, ang equal niya is negative cosine x. So, we'll have negative cosine x. Since negative, imumultiply natin, nagkakaroon tayo ng cosine x plus c. C is constant of integration. For number 2, integral of 5 cosine x dx. So, we have here 5, lalabas natin siya ulit sa integral natin. So, 5 integral of cosine x dx. So, tingin ulit tayo sa kanan, sa formula natin. Ang cosine x dx is sin x. So, we have here sin x plus c. So, we have here the answer, 5 sin x plus c. Number 3, integral of 3 secant squared x dx. So, ilalabas ulit natin yung 3, yung constant natin. So, we have here 3 integral of secant squared x dx. So, tingin ulit tayo sa formula natin. Yung formula natin is secant squared x dx equals siya sa tangent x. So, we have here 3 integral of tangent x dx. Magiging answer natin is 3 tangent x plus c, which is constant. For number 4, integral of 10 cotangent x dx. So, for number 4, meron tayo ditong integral of 10 cotangent x dx. So, tandaan muna natin yung formula natin for cotangent x. So, equals 1 over tangent x and then tangent x sin x over cosine x. So, magkakaroon tayo. So, we can rewrite cotangent x equal cosine x over sin x. Then next. So, to integrate cosine x over sin x, we can use a substitution method. Let u equals sin x, and then du equals cosine x dx. So, we have here now 10 integral of 1 over u dx. Since yung sign natin is equals siya sa u. So, gagawin natin yung u. So now we have 10 ln absolute value of u plus c, and the value of our u is sin x, so we will have 10 ln absolute value of sin x plus c. So number 5, we have your integral of negative 2 cosecant x dx. Recall that cosecant x is equal to 1 over sin x. So we will have here, lalabas muna natin yung negative 2, yung constant natin. So, we will have negative 2 integral of 1 over sin x dx. So, we need to integrate 1 over sin x. One way to approach this is to recognize that 1 over sin x is the same as cosecant x, and its antiderivative is negative ln, and the absolute value of cosine x plus cotangent x plus c. So, substitute the value and we will have here this. So, the answer is 2 ln absolute value of cosecant x plus cotangent x plus c.